Okay, so I turned it around. This is what the weather looks like for today. It's cloudy on the cloudy side. Check out the zoom. Oh, the zoom works wonderful. It's so freezing clear. Clear. Wow, look at that. That's nagging thing. And I stopped the shot. Someone on the truck. This is blurry in all the way up. So how are you guys liking this review? This is giving a review on this camcorder. Can't wait to get the batteries in a couple weeks from now. I have only one battery. I'm not buying any more SD cards for that. Plenty. But anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. I'm seriously. Will work. I can upload this on my iPad, so I live on my iPad, so that's awesome. That's what I wanted to do, so, turn the, so it doesn't work when alright, so, hope you guys can still see me. So, this was we have a little bit of a river behind the building. Let me show you what it looks like over there. There's me. There's me. Hi. Let me zoom out. Flip it around. You can't put, when it's recording, you can't turn, oh yes you can. My bad. I thought you couldn't for a minute. This is what it looks like with the night vision on outside. I used this camera before on, night vision for ghost hunting. I'm gonna see if I could use this for regular use. If so, I'm buying batteries for it really soon, maybe even a couple of weeks, by the end of the month or something like that. So I'll be buying batteries for it. Let me show you guys what it looks like around the corner over here. There's this cool shed that they use I like, so I'm gonna show you. Look at the geese. So this is the shed. Hopefully this video turns out okay, and I can read on my iPad. This is what the grounds look like. So, been filming for 2 minutes and 51 seconds. So let me see if this will work on my computer. I'm trying to, there we go. Let me see if this works on my computer, and I'll let you guys know. I'm gonna cut it right here, then I'm gonna film again and again until I get back inside. I'm gonna go back the way I came. So this is the way I came. So I'm just gonna go back home now. I'm curious to see what this footage looks like. So I like seeing myself on this LCD screen. So when it gets a little brighter, I'll do a part 3 of this test. So I'm kind of wondering, the SD card on the 128 was not good on this camcorder, so I'm gonna try the 32. Let me go this way. I'm gonna try the 32 out, and then later on I will come back for another round 3 just to test it out. How's the audio doing, guys? Can you hear me okay? That's the night vision. The battery's dying, so I'm gonna charge this. I used it a little bit, like almost all morning pretty much, so I'm gonna charge it all the way up. I'm gonna use the fast charger for it. And then I'm going to put this SD card in and see what it looks like. I know it reads AVI files on my iPad, so with this camcorder, it's kind of weird because on my Canon camera, it can't read it. So I'm kind of curious about this camcorder, see if it reads it. So we'll see. I'll see you guys when I'm inside.